Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today we do some question from Vedanta Excel in Mathematics, 5th updated edition, BS 2081, Book 10, Topic State, Exercise 1.1, page 22, General section. Let's start from question number 1A. In the given Venn diagram, F and B are the sets of students who play football and basketball respectively. Let's find the number of students in these sets operations. Now its solution. Here given Venn diagram is U and football F and basketball B. Here 12, here 18, here 10 and here 8. From the Venn diagram for 1, we have to find number of F intersection B. Number of F intersection B equal to this one, 18. This is number of F intersection B. For 2, number of F union B. Number of F union B equal to 12 plus 18 plus 10. 18 plus 12, 30 plus 10, 40. That equal to 40. For 3, number of F union B whole complement. Number of F union B whole complement. From the Venn diagram, number of F union B whole complement, that is 8. For 4, number of, that is 4. Number of only F, N not F. Number of only F, N not F is 12. For 5, number of B minus F. Number of B minus F, that equal to N not B. B minus F, that is this part, N not B. Number of only basketball, that is 10. N not B is 10. For BI, number 6. Number of U. Number of U equal to sum of all data in the Venn diagram. 12 plus 18 plus 10 plus 8. This equal to 48. This is the number of U. Now question number 1b. In the examining Venn diagram, N and S are the sets of people who like Nepali and Hindi movies respectively. If number of U is 135, number of N union S is 120, find this given sets. Now its solution. Here given Venn diagram is this U and N and S. N and S. Here X, here 85, minus X, here 55, minus X. Now, for 1, number of N intersection S. To find this, here number of U is 135, number of N union S is 120. For 1, using further, number of N union S equals to Venn diagram. From the Venn diagram, number of N union S equals to 85 minus X plus 55 minus X. This and that. Or N union S, that is given as 120. 120 equal to minus x plus x cancel out. 85 plus 50, 140 minus x. Therefore, x equal to 140 minus 120, that is 20. So x is intersection part. So number of n intersection s equal to 20. Now for 2, you have to find number of n union s whole complement. Number of n union s whole complement equal to, using formula, number of u minus number of n union s. Number of u is 135 minus number of n union s is 120. So 135 minus 120, that is 15. So number of n union s whole complement is 15. For 3, n not n. You have to find n not n equal to, from the diagram, n not n is 85 minus x. We got the value of x is 20. So putting value of x 20, it becomes 85 minus 20. That is 5 minus 0, 5, 8 minus 2, 6, 65. For 4, we have n not s. We have to find n not s. N not s equal to, from the diagram, 55 minus x. 55 minus x. Putting value of x 20, I get 55 minus 20. This equal to 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 2, 3. 35. This is the answer. Now next question, 2a. If number of u is 15, number of a is 25, number of b is 27, number of a intersection b is 10, find the following. Now it's solution. Here, number of u equal to 50, number of a is 25, number of b is 27, number of a intersection b is 10. Now for 1, we have to find number of a union b. Using formula, number of a union b equal to number of a plus number of b minus number of a intersection b. Now putting values, number of a is 25 plus number of b is 27 minus number of a intersection b is 10. This equal to 7 plus 5, 12, 2 carry over 1. This 52 minus 10, that is 42. For 2, we have to find number of a union b whole complement. Number of a union b whole complement equal to number of u minus number of a union b by using formula. Now this equal to number of u is 50 minus number of a union b is 42. That is 8. For 3, we have to find number of a minus b. Number of a minus b equal to n not a. That is number of a minus number of a intersection b. Number of a is 25, intersection is 10. 25 minus 10, that is 15. For 4, we have to find n not b. N not b equal to number of b minus number of a intersection b. Number of a is 27 minus number of a intersection b, that is 10. 27 minus 10, that is 17 is the answer. Now next question, 2b. If number of a is 60, number of a 20, number of b 40 and number of a union b 55, find the following. Now it's also here number of u is 60, number of a is 30, number of b is 40 and number of a union b is 55. Now for 1, number of A intersection B. Using formula, number of A union B equals to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Or number of A union B is 55 equal to number of A 30 plus number of B 40 minus number of A intersection B. Or number of A intersection B equal to 30 plus 40 minus 55. Therefore, number of A intersection B equal to 30 plus 30 70 minus 55, that is 15. For 2 and 2 we have number of A and B whole complement. Number of A and B whole complement equal to number of U minus number of A and B. Number of U is 60 minus number of A and B is 55. So that is 5. Then for 3, n dot A. N dot A equal to number of A minus number of A intersection B. Number of A is 30 minus number of A intersection B, that is 15. 30 minus 15, that is 15. For 4, number of only B. Number of only B, that is n not B equal to number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of B is 40 minus number of A intersection B is 15. 40 minus 15, that is 25. This is the answer. Now, next question, number 2C. P and Q are the subsets of a universal set U. If number of U is 90, number of P 45, number of Q 35, and number of P union Q whole complement 15. Illustrate this information in a Venn diagram and find the following. Now its solution. Here, number of U is 90, number of P is 45, number of Q is 35, number of P union Q whole complement is 15. Now, using formula, number of U equal to number of P plus number of Q minus number of P intersection Q plus number of P union Q whole complement. Or number of U is 90 equal to number of P 45 plus number of Q 35 minus number of P intersection Q plus complement is 15. Or number of P intersection Q equal to 45 plus 35 plus 15 minus 90. Therefore, number of P intersection Q equal to, let us calculate this by using calculator. 45 plus 35 plus 15 minus 90, that is 5. So number of P intersection Q is 5. Then representing in a Venn diagram. U universal set and two subsets P and Q. CP and that is Q. Number of P intersection Q, that is 5, so putting here. Number of P and Q complement, that is 15, putting 15 here. This number of P only, and P, that is number of P 45 minus intersection data. 45 minus 5, remaining 40. That is n dot Q. Number of Q 35 minus intersection data 5, that is 30. 35 minus 5, 30. After this, again from the Venn diagram for I, number of P union Q. Number of P union Q equal to 40 plus 5 plus 30. 40 plus 5 plus 30, that is 75. For 2, number of P intersection Q. Number of P intersection Q is equal to middle one, that is 5. For 3, N not P. N not P, number of on the P, that is 40. For 4, number of Q minus P. Number of Q minus P, that is N not Q. Number of on the Q, that is 30. Okay, this much part to see. Now, next question 2D. If number of A is 65, number of B is 80, A is proper subset of B, and the following now is also. Here, number of A is 65, number of B equal to 80, and A is proper subset of B. Now, again the question, A is proper subset of B. So, this is set B, its proper subset is A. So, number of A is 65, number of B is 80, so remaining 80 minus 65 here, 15. 80 minus 65, 15. Now for 1, number of A and B, number of A and B equal to number of B, because A is proper subset of B. Because A is proper subset of B. So number of B is 80. For 2, number of A intersection B. Number of A intersection B equal to number of A, because A is proper subset of B. So number of A is 65. For 3, number of A minus B. Number of A minus B, that is N not A, that is 0. A minus B, that is 0, because A is proper subset of B. Or 4, number of B minus A, that is N not B. N not B is 15. B minus A, that is 15. N not B is 15. This equal N not B is number of B minus number of A. Number of B minus number of A intersection B. Number of A minus B, that is N not A equal to number of A minus number of A intersection B. Number of A is 65, A intersection B also 65, so it becomes 0. This is equal to 0. Number of A is 80 minus number of A intersection B is 65. 80 minus 65, that is 15. This is the answer for today. Now, next question 2E. If N not A is 12, N not B is 15, number of A and B whole complement is 11, and number of U is 45, find the following. Now, its solution. Here, N not A is 12, N not B is 15, number of A union B whole complement, that is 11, and number of U is 45. Now, for 1, we have to find number of A union B. Number of A union B equal to number of U minus number of A union B whole complement by using formula This equals the number of u 45 minus number of a and b complement, that is 11. 45 minus 11, that is 34. For 2, we have to find number of a intersection b. Using formula, number of a union b equal to number of a plus number of b minus number of a intersection b. Or in only form, only data given, so n naught a plus n naught b plus number of a intersection b. Now this equal to number of a and b 34, n naught a is 12, n naught b is 15 plus number of a intersection b. Therefore, number of a intersection b equal to 34 minus 12 minus 15. It becomes 7. Number of a intersection b is 7. For 3, number of a equal to n naught a plus number of a intersection b. N naught a is 7 plus a intersection b is, that is n naught a is 12 and number of a intersection b is 7. 2 equals 7, that is 19. For 4, number of b equal to n naught b plus number of a intersection b. N naught b is 15 plus number of a intersection b is 7. 15 plus 7, 22 is the answer. Now next question 3a. If number a is 40, number of b is 50, find number 1. The possible maximum value of number of a intersection b and minimum value of number of a union b. Number 2. The possible minimum value of number of a intersection b and maximum value of number of a union b. Now its solution. Here number of a equal to 40 and number of b is 50. Now here are two possible cases. Case 1. If A and B are disjoint sets, and B are disjoint sets, then this is A and that is set B. Number of A 40, number of B 50. In distant case, the maximum number of the minimum value of A is B. First case, if A and B. First case, if A is super subset of B, that is A super subset B. In this case, the bigger set is B, a smaller one is set A. Note of A 40, here 40, and then B 50 minus 40, here is 10. Therefore, for 1, what's your maximum value of number of A intersection B? The possible value of number of A intersection B, possible maximum value of the possible maximum value of of A intersection B equals to cardinal number of smaller set, that is number of A, that is 40, and the possible minimum value of number of A and B, possible minimum value of number of A and B equals to cardinal number of bigger set, that is number of big, that is 50. Now second case, case 2, if set A and B are disjoint sets, then this is set A, that is set B, they are disjoint. Cardinal number of A is 40, cardinal number of B is 50. In this case, the possible minimum value of number of A intersection B, or the possible minimum value of number of A intersection B equal to 0. Since they are disjoint, so number of A intersection B is 0, and the possible maximum value of number of A and B equal to number of A plus number of B. Since they are disjoint, so number of A 40 plus number of B 50 equal to 90. This is the possible maximum value of number of A union B. Now 3B, number of M is 15, number of N is 10. We have to find greatest value of M intersection N. Number of M intersection N maximum equal question mark. Number of M union N minimum. This value of union question mark. Number of M intersection N minimum. That means this value of intersection data question mark. Number of M union N maximum. Greatest value of union question mark. Now number of M intersection N maximum equal to cardinal number of smaller set. Number of N, that is, then number of M union N minimum is equal to cardinal number of greater set, bigger set, that is number of M, that is 15. Third one, number of M intersection N minimum. Intersection minimum equal to 0 if M and N are disjoint set, and number of M union N maximum, that equal to number of M plus number of N. 15 plus 10, 25. In first case, this N is proper subset of, if N is proper subset of M. In second case, if M and N are disjoint sets, this is the required condition. Now 3C, number of U is 100, number of P is 75, number of Q is 55. Find number of P union Q maximum value of number of P union Q. Now your solution. Here this one, if P and Q are disjoint sets, then number of P union Q maximum equal to number of P plus number of Q. That is 75 plus here U also. So maximum value of P and Q equal to P and Q may not be different. So number of P and Q maximum equal to number of U, that is 100. Then part 2. Number of P intersection Q minimum. Number of P intersection Q minimum. This equals to question mark. Number of P and Q 100, then number of P union Q maximum. Now number of P intersection Q minimum equal to number of P plus number of Q minus number of U is equal to number of P 75, number of Q 55 minus number of U 100, that equal to 30. So minimum value of number of P intersection Q is 30. Maximum value of number of P union Q is 100. Okay students, this much for today. Have a nice study, have a nice time. See you soon.